We have some more option in this draw flyout. That one is construction line and ray. These are two options to draw lines of some different kind. So I am taking first construction line. Click here to select the command. Now there is a lot of options under sub command. Specify a point or horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect, offset. So I am taking horizontal first. So if I am clicking H as alias given in the blue color and I am pressing enter, now we can draw these kind of reference lines in horizontal direction. We generally use these construction lines in the form of reference line because it doesn't have its endpoints. The length of these kind of lines are infinite, so you cannot find out the endpoint of these kind of lines. We generally use these kind of line in engineering as reference line. I'm pressing Ctrl A to select all lines in a single stretch, and now I'm pressing delete. I'm taking another option, take construction line. Now second one is vertical. For vertical I'm pressing V as given in blue color. Now press enter. Now I can draw construction line in vertical direction for some vertical reference. Ctrl A to select all and press delete to delete all. Again I am taking construction line to see some more command, that is angle. Now I am typing A as alias, press enter. Now it is asking enter angle of Xline. Currently it is 0, it is showing 0 right now, or reference. Suppose if we have a reference earlier, so we can give angle according to that reference, but currently we don't have any reference, so we have to give angle over here. That will change this 0. So I am taking 45. Now enter. Now we can draw the line at an angle of 45 in the horizontal. Ctrl A to select all and press delete. Again I am clicking on this flyout, take construction. Before starting it, I am making some reference. Say like this. Suppose I have this kind of reference, the reference line. I am taking construction line. Click here. Now I am taking angular. I am taking R as reference. Now it is asking select a line object. I am selecting this line. Now it is asking the angle. I can say 45. Now it has become 45 degree angular from this reference line. Like this. The angle between this line and this construction line will be 45. Is the work of the reference sub option. So we can draw these kind of construction line at some angle with some given reference. To select all, I am pressing Ctrl A and press delete to delete. There are one more option in construction line, that is offset. But before use this option, we should have some already drawn construction line. So for this thing, first of all I am taking H for horizontal. I am taking 2 lines, 3 lines. I am pressing escape to come out from the command. I am again taking this construction line. Now I am taking offset. For offset I am typing O as alias. For taking offset I am typing O alias given in the blue color. Now press enter. Now the distance is 39.33. This is the default distance, offset distance, that is already given. Now what I want to draw a construction line that is 10 units apart from this line. So for this purpose, first of all, I have to define the offset distance, that is 10, which I want. Now I am typing 10, then press enter. Now select the line object. I am selecting this line. Specify side to offset. AutoCAD gives us facility to draw construction line either this side or this side. So suppose I want to draw a line that is 10 units apart from this line for this side. So I'm click here. This construction line has been drawn. Suppose again I want to draw a line that is 10 units apart from this construction line. Select here and then click. This is the offset. Right. Then escape. Now select all and then delete. Suppose we have this kind of drawing. Now what we want to draw a construction line which is bisecting these two lines here and these two lines. So for this kind of purpose, we have an option in construction line. Click here to select the command. There is bisect. For taking this sub command, I am typing B, pressing enter. Now it is asking about the angle vertex point. I am saying this is the vertex of the angle. Now it is asking specify angle start point. I am saying the angle will start from here and angle endpoint it will go up to here. Then escape to come out from the command. This is the bisection line of these two connecting lines. This angle and this angle are equal. Now again I am taking the same, repeat construction line, E as bisect, vertex. Now start point, say this point, say end point, this point. Then escape to come out from the command. Two construction line has been drawn. This is the method of bisection construction line. Select all after pressing Ctrl A and then delete. In this session we are going to learn some more command under the draw flyout. This is ray. We have already learned about spline and construction line. Now we are learning this ray. Click here. Now as construction line, this is also a reference line. So the use of this is different. This is little bit different from construction line. In construction line there is no start point and there is no end point, but in ray there is a start point but there is no end point. So it is asking about the start point. Say I am clicking here. Now we can easily see that the end point is not there. End point is at infinity. So if I am clicking here like this, like this. Now click escape. Now press escape to come out. Now we can easily see there is no end point of these rays and the starting point is this. So this is the basic quality of ray. Suppose we want to make this arc in some segment. What we can do? We can create these rays. We can create line after clicking on the intersection point, and after completing we can delete all these reference line and this arc, and we have all segments. These are the use of ray. in engineering drawing.